Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to import CC4 module in Unity with blend shape keys to create your facial animations directly inside the Unity. So let's get started. So first thing first, let's choose the Camila facial demo. After that you're gonna choose the facial profile. We're going to choose the CC4 standard facial profile. Then, to export, click in File, Export, FBX, and close that character. In Target Tool preset, you're gonna choose Unity 3D and Mesh and Motion. Let's check this Delete Hidden Faces and use it subdivided mesh options. Don't forget to do these advanced configurations. Mark Convert skinned expression to morphs to don't get any issues in Unity. After that, you just need to click in Export. Now, to correctly install the model in Unity, we're gonna use the Alt Setup for Unity plugin in the product home in Realism. Click in Free Download and download. This folder will be found in your download folders, and you need to unzip this to get these files that you're gonna use to install in Unity. To do that, you just need to click in Install Package from Disk and double click in Package Zone. With this, you will be able to see the Realism menu that you can click in here to import characters. Now we just need to drag and drop the files inside the Unity and click in the Import Character window to build materials. This will create a prefab with all materials and textures that you need.
After the building, you can click here to see a preview of your model and test your facial animations. Now you can see everything is working okay. Now let's create our animations. To do that, we're going to use the Vivo Motion Cap plugin. This plugin is very simple. We can create a facial animation just clicking two buttons. Just clicking Work in Editor and Start to Record. After that, you just need to play the animation to test it.
If you want to get plugin, just click the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos like this. That's it for now. See you next time.